Discover the transformative power of a healthy diet and nutrition in this informative video. We delve into the essential principles of nourishing your body with wholesome foods to support optimal health, energy, and well-being. In this video, we provide valuable insights, practical tips, and evidence-based information on adopting a healthy diet. From understanding macronutrients and portion control to exploring the benefits of whole foods and balanced meal planning, we cover all aspects of nutrition to help you make informed choices. Learn about the importance of incorporating fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats into your diet. Discover the role of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in supporting a strong immune system and vibrant overall health. We discuss strategies for mindful eating, including listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues, practicing portion control, and avoiding emotional eating. Uncover the secrets to building healthy eating habits that last a lifetime. Join us as we share nutritious recipes, meal prep ideas, and practical suggestions to make healthy eating enjoyable and sustainable. We believe that a healthy diet can be delicious, diverse, and tailored to your individual preferences. Whether you're looking to manage your weight, improve your digestion, boost your energy levels, or support your overall well-being, this video has something for everyone. Our goal is to empower you to make positive choices and embrace a healthy relationship with food. Stay connected with our community of health enthusiasts, share your experiences, and get inspired by others on their own nutrition journeys. Together, we can create a supportive environment for growth, learning, and transformation. Start your journey to a healthier you today. Watch this video for valuable insights and practical guidance on healthy diet and nutrition. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on health, wellness, and balanced living. Let's nourish our bodies and embrace a vibrant life through the power of healthy eating.